Fall from grace. Put down the weapons you fight with and kill 'em with kindness.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the Instagram chooses my makeup challenge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. So if you want to see how this ends, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for the primer, I put Pure or NYX primer, and the one that had the most votes was NYX. For concealer, it was either LA Girl, which is this one, the Pro Concealer, or the Tarte one, the one I always use. And of course, Tarte won. 48 votes for the Tarte and 30 for LA Girl. So it was close, but Tarte, my favorite. Okay, so I just concealed my eyelids, and the next product was the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palettes were the eyeshadow palettes were these two, and of course the Take Me Back to Brazil won. Take Me Back to Brazil had 44 votes, and the Prism palette from Anastasia had 34 votes. So for our eyeshadow, I'm going to be doing an orange look. So this is how it looks. It's pretty colors. We're gonna go in with this one. Oh, I like how they blend. Okay, I've honestly only used like 3 colors from this palette, and just like once or so. I'm going to go in with this one. Next, I'm going to add concealer. So we're gonna go back with the orange and just fill in this area right here, and then blend it out so it will look like a sharp line there. For the foundation, I didn't really give you guys an option because I only have one foundation that currently fits my color, which sucks, but I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation, and this is in the shade 310. Okay, for the next step, my concealer, the same one. I'm gonna be doing it under my eyes. Okay. I don't know where. Oh yeah. I don't really conceal because I don't know how. I think it's right here. Oh, I think I put too much. Maybe like that. I don't know. Almost right here, and then there. And just blend it out. Next, we're gonna go back to our eyeshadow palette and just do the same on the bottom lash line. Okay, for the next one will be the eyeliner. The eyeliner was either the Balm Cosmetics eyeliner or the e.l.f. So the Balm Cosmetics is a liquid liner, just this one. And the e.l.f. one is a gel liner. So it looks like this. And the one with the most votes was the Balm Cosmetics eyeliner. And that one had 37 votes. And the e.l.f. had 34. So close, close, close. So we're going to be using the eyeliner. This one. Now let's see if I could do the other one the same. It's gonna be so hard. Okay, they're not the same. I know they're not the same, but they look close to same, so I'm not even gonna try to fix it even more because I know I'm gonna mess them up, so they'll do. For the lashes, I put Ardell lashes or the Vegas Nail lashes. I think that's how you say it. So it's the Ardell's double up lashes. So it's these ones right here. Vegas Nail lashes are these. So the Ardell lashes, one and it had 41 votes and the other ones had 34 votes. So definitely we're gonna be using the Ardell ones. Our next item is going to be either the Wet n Wild or Profusion contouring palette. So we're going to be using this one because that's the one that won. For my setting powder, I either put the Laura Mercier setting powder. Is this one? I have the little small one. Or the Tarte one. The clay, the Amazonian clay. So it's this one. And the Laura Mercier had 45 votes. And the Tarte had 31 votes. So we're going to be using the Laura Mercier. I just leave it on for a couple of minutes, not too long. I had to switch where I record because my camera died on me. It was full battery, but I guess I took too long. But anyways, I'm using my phone, so sorry for the weird quality. Okay. Anyways, so I'm just gonna take off this baking on. I had it for a long time already, so. For the setting spray, I had the Morphe and the MAC Prep and Prime setting sprays. And the Morphe had 47 votes and the MAC had 32 votes. So yes, I'm so glad about this one. I love this one too. They have really great smell and everything. But the what's it called? Like when you spray it, like it's like just big dots and you can see it on your face. And this one is like a mist. So you'll see what I'm talking about, but so bomb. And then I'm gonna be adding my highlight. And I had the Anastasia Amrezy highlight and the Physicians Formula, which both are super great. So the ABH had 45 votes and the Physicians Formula had 27 votes. Okay, for my next product was the lipsticks. So it was one from NYX, the lingerie lipstick, and this one was in Seduction. So it's this one. And the other one was the Anastasia one, and this one was in Bittersweet. So they're both a little bit similar. So the Anastasia one had 47 votes and the NYX one had 29 votes. So I'm gonna be using this one. So hopefully it goes with this because I just chose it like random. So this is the end results of the Instagram chooses my makeup. Not so bad, not so bad. I want to say thank you guys so much for participating in the polls on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll be back with more videos. I do post more on my Instagram, so I've been posting more videos on there, so like mini tutorials. So if you want to go see those, make sure to follow me on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So nice. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. Laura Mercy. I can't even pronounce all of these products. That's sad.